Hey there, Fright fans. This is Vince with Team Skulleton Crew, and tonight we are back at Scavenged Souls in Woodstock, Georgia. Scavenged Souls is a spectacular home haunt, and they've invited us back to see the changes that they've made this year. I think we're going to get a chance to talk with one of the co-owners in just a little bit, but with no further ado, let's go in and check out the scares. Little blast. Oh, where did that, holy cow. Where did that come from? And not real. Oh, real, holy cow. I guess I'm going on through, am I going through this door?
Visitors, welcome. We're
Thank
so
you.
glad you could join us. Come into the kitchen. We're just getting started with dinner.
All right. I like the jack-o'-lanterns.
In you go, don't be shy. Gather around the table now. You'll roast up nicely into the fire. Watch your head.
Oh, wait.
We don't want our dinner getting bruised.
I actually have to go into the fire.
All the way now.
All right, you're going to have to go through it.
Well done.
Through the fire too. Ugh. Yikes.
Need a hand? I didn't either.
Oh, I've got two. I think I'll work with those.
I've got three. I kept this one. It's kind of handy.
Wait, what? All right, where are we going?
Otis, where's my dinner?
Oh, this way.
Here it is, right on time. The problem with this one, he's missing something very important.
Me?
In the brain.
In the brain, okay.
You know what? You're in luck, sir. I performed lobotomies. I think this will fit right nice.
Wow.
Since you don't have any brains, what can you offer me for my stew?
Brawn. No, I don't have brawn either.
I need something festering, something bloody, oozing pus. What do you have? What do you got?
Nothing festering.
Good enough. I'll preserve you for later. In the fridge with you.
Oh, goodness. Oh, squishy floor. And holy cow. Hi. Sorry to disturb. This way. Holy cow. Don't laugh at my fear. The spider guy again. That's creepy. And the sounds are creepy. Oh, that is. Hi, cool lighting. Well, you're not gonna talk, I just have to come with you. Got it? Oh, hi. Oh, I saw fingers. I saw fingers there. Oh. What's around the corner? I don't know. And it runs us into
big treats to eat.
this is giant.
Bigger than I usually prefer, but
Wow.
2 bites instead of 1.
Wow, that is pretty crazy.
Actually, you need a little more seasoning. Let's send you in there. Put some more fear on you.
This way, huh? This
Don't worry,
way.
I'll meet you later.
Oh, great. Finally made it. Are you ready for this? Body bag. Made it through Scavenged Souls. There were some great sets and some great scares in there. They're located again in Woodstock, Georgia. If you do visit Scavenged Souls, bring a can of food with you because they collect food for their local food drives in the area. Check out our most recent video when we were looking at walking through Paranoia. And until next time, stay scary.